Today we're going to be testing the new Uniview 4-megapixel dual dome camera. This is the IPC3224, and it's basically two cameras together in one compact package. The cameras are connected using a single Ethernet cable, and they share one IP address on the network. However, they will take up two channels when connecting to an NVR. Both domes can be aimed in different directions, which allows for 180 degrees of coverage. Simply remove the cover, loosen the two screws, and point the lens where you want it to go. Each camera records at a resolution of 2688 by 1520 at up to 25 FPS. There are two microphones built into the camera, as well as a micro SD card slot hidden inside the housing. The entire unit is IK10 vandal resistant and IP67 weatherproof. Okay, that all sounds great, but how do these cameras actually perform? Well, let's mount the cameras outside and find out. I was really impressed with the overall image quality from these cameras. During the day, the video was sharp and colorful, while at night, there was very little noise or ghosting. As you can see, we are getting a full 180 degree of coverage from the cameras, with a small overlap in the middle. With one small camera, we are able to cover a very large area. In terms of resolution, both cameras have a 4-megapixel resolution sensor. From the camera, we were able to see license plates up to about 50 feet away. The camera also features advanced AI detection. This filters out false motion from rain, snow, and leaves, allowing you to focus on important events only. During our testing, the AI detection worked well, picking up vehicles and people accurately. This camera also has two microphones built in. Does that mean better audio quality? Let's test it and find out. So we're out here at the back of the office, and I have a microphone attached to my jacket. That's what you're hearing right now. And then I'm going to switch to 4-megapixel microphone. So this is what I sound like from the camera's microphone. And then we have this camera mounted up about 8 feet high, 9 feet high, so quite far away. And again, this is the microphone attached to my jacket, so there should be a difference. Hopefully that gives you an idea of the quality of the microphone. This camera also features a brand new image signal processing chip. Both the hardware and software have been fine-tuned, resulting in smoother video from moving objects. For example, here's a large plow clearing the snow. With the 4-megapixel dual dome, the motion looks smooth and clear. From our 8-megapixel turret camera, the image looks more jittery. This shows how much Uniview has improved the technology in their 4-megapixel dual dome camera. So, who is this camera meant for, and should you buy it? I think this camera is a great choice for commercial buildings as an exterior camera. The fact that you only need to run one cable and mount a single camera can save a lot of time during installs. It's also quite small, which helps it blend into the background. This camera is also suitable for warehouses, since it can cover multiple angles. It also works in grocery stores and retail stores, allowing you to cover two aisles by pointing the camera in different directions. If you like the image quality of this camera, and you don't need extra features such as built-in speaker or white LEDs, then this may be a good option for you. However, if you need white LEDs that act like a flashlight, you might consider the Uniview Color Hunter cameras instead. Or, if you want a camera with a speaker for two-way audio, check out the Uniview 4-megapixel dual light turret camera.
Hello, I'm here to deliver a package.
Hi, I'm out of the office. Can you drop the package there? I'll be back in 30 minutes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more security camera videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.